rocks their wigs like that? If you do, I'm sorry.
First, let me hop out the muff, Porsche. I don't want it if that air don't sit like a horse.
Listen. You know how I get with the burgundy joint, so let's go ahead and get into it, okay? Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl KRUSH. Today's video is brought to you by me, myself, and I purchased these units with my own coin, and let me just tell you, I am excited, like borderline pressed, okay? So much so that I forgot my wine today, and I just didn't get up and get it. I've been sipping on my juice, so you know, that's what we drinking today, cause y'all know your girl's lazy, okay? You know your girl is lazy. But y'all know what it is. It's still sipping slay, and we still gonna get our drink on, okay? So whether it's water, coffee, tea, juice, or your wine, or maybe a little something extra, we're gonna go ahead and sip it up, okay? Now, as always, before we get into the install, the specs, and what I think about these units straight out the pack, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also, give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Now, let's pour it up, sip it up, and get into these looks, okay? Let's go. Okay, so if you read the title, then you already know both these units come from Sensational. It is part of their sheer muse collection, and they are part of the brand new series Red KRUSH, meaning every unit in this series is part of the red family. However, it does have natural colors if you want to try the natural colors for yourself, okay? So the first one we are talking about is one that I have on my head right now, and this is KIMORA. I got her in the color Crimson Red, and she does retail under $40. It comes in some bomb colors, y'all. Like, look at this color family. All the way from your oranges down to your burgundy deep reds. This pants look real cute too. I like that. This unit does come with HD lace from ear to ear, 2 combs on the side, 1 comb in the back, and the adjustable straps. This unit is also heat safe up to about 400 degrees, and I did use heat on my unit, as you saw in my install, to flatten out the top here just to make sure it was good to go. I do have 4 little twists here in my hair, so I tried to flatten them as much as possible to make sure that it wasn't gonna, you know, be poking on through, and it's actually sitting pretty nice. And y'all, guess what? The cap is big head friendly. I mean, it stretched over my dome, and I was like, ooh, sis, thank you, Sensational, for giving us a big cap on these joints, because that, what's the one that I did recently? Molly from the Sheer Muse collection? That joint was medium. That was a no-go for my temples. And I do have on my wig grip, so listen. The texture of the unit is on the silkier side. It's not like silky to the point that it's gonna be like stringy, but it's silky to the point that it's not yucky. You get what I'm saying? I did have a little bit of flyaways on this unit, but not a lot. I just used my hairspray to kind of get those under control, and that was about it. The styling of this unit was very easy. If you don't like the swoops on your unit, guess what? You don't have to. They didn't rock any swoops on the card. Look, sis, look, no swoops on the card. So you don't gotta tell me I don't like swoops. I wanna see it without the swoops. It's on the card, Brenda. I'm really feeling how this is looking on me. And I wasn't so sure off the pack because I had the little how you doings around my neck. Y'all know I can't stand the neck huggers. I don't like the neck huggers. Who rocks their wigs like that? If you do, I'm sorry. So I went on to use my blow dryer on high heat and just kind of press that out as much as possible without getting it too straight, because I know if I straightened it too much, it would take away the look of the unit that I wanted. So I left a little bumpage around my neck, and y'all, we sitting nice. Okay, you hear me? We sitting real cute. I wanted to rock her glueless, and I was, but the way she was sitting and the way that I didn't feel like blending, I just went on and used my Got To Be Free spray and sprayed her down in some spots, pretty much here, and on my sides here, just to make sure the lace wasn't going, you know, peek on through. But you can definitely blend it down gluelessly if you want to. You just got to tighten down the straps and, you know, get that little seamless fit around, you know, your hairline. The colors that it comes with is pretty much what makes this unit, you know, kind of stand out. And this crimson red looks a lot like the burgundy from the Mali wig. Sensational. Okay, you got some explaining to do. Other than that, it's a simple bob. It's nothing crazy. If you don't like the colors, you can get this unit in a normal 1, 1B. I think they may have a 2 as well. I do feel like this unit is a little shiny. It's definitely picking up on my camera and my lighting. So I definitely would suggest going and use some of your dry shampoo just a little bit. Just kind of dull down the shine if you want to. I do wish the unit was a little bit thicker. I feel like it would give it just a more fuller look. It definitely looks like a more yucky texture on her card. If it's going to be silky like this, I want a little bit more, you know, on the cap. That's just, you know, personal preference. Okay, let's go ahead and get to the next one. Okay, let's go. We have wig number 2 from the same collection. This is the unit Salisha. I got her in the color wine red, and she still retails under $40, but it is a few dollars more than her sister wig. Okay, the unit comes in the same exact color, so if you want to check those out, you can. All the specs on this one are the exact same as KIMORA. However, this one just gives me inches. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is 30 inches on this unit, y'all, and y'all, it's sitting nice. Now I was really hoping this was going to give me a little bit more texture. However, it's giving me the exact same thing as KIMORA, but I will say this one feels a little bit thicker. I don't know if it's because of the color or because of the actual unit, but this one's giving me collard greens. KIMORA was giving me more kale. And y'all, this wine red is sitting nice. This is basically burgundy wine. I know they're trying to be all different with the wine red, but Sensational, you ain't fooling nobody. Sensational Morgan and the burgundy wine is my jam, okay? So I know my color when I see it, and this is definitely giving me burgundy wine on this sleek back joint, okay? It may be a little bit different, a little bit. I think burgundy wine has a little bit more black in it, just a tad. But this one also has the black streaks in it, so you know, you ain't fooling nobody. You pretty much are paying for the color job, and I'm not really mad at that price point. Under $40 for, you know, these inches, I'm not mad at that. And even at 30 inches, y'all see how I'm pulling through this unit, no tangles. Now, I didn't say no tangles from the jump, okay, because she had tangles, okay? Okay, out the two, I don't know if you can tell or not, but this one's my favorite. Oh, listen. I feel like it's a very easy, you know, beginner-friendly wig. KIMORA too, I feel like they're both beginner-friendly wigs. Just a little bit of prep before you step out the house to make sure you step right, all right? But yeah, I feel like she look cute, y'all. What y'all think? What y'all think? Y'all let me know down below which one's your favorite. That's all I got for you guys today. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also, smash that notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.